Hi, I'm Rochelle, one of the owners of Godiva's Secret Wigs. And since 1997, my daughter Danielle, who is also my partner, the two of us have been helping women, empower women with wigs and toppers because we know what it's like to want to look our best. And although Danielle and I do have thicker hair, I would not call our hair thinner. Today, I want to talk about thinner, low-density wigs for women whose hair is thinning because of genetics, stress. Many times a surgery will cause shock to your body, and that will change the dynamics of your hair growth. So, especially if you are a brand new wig wearer or a wig virgin, like I like to call you, just in the beginning, I'm going to show you today 3 different wigs, one short, one medium, and one long, that I consider very thin and light. So I'm going to show you those. If you are new to Godiva's Secret Wigs, we have an amazing Facebook private group called Godiva's Secret Wig Community. There are over 40,000 women who are classy, they are polite, they are loving, and no matter how vulnerable or afraid you are feeling about jumping into our world of wigs, these women are going to support you and make suggestions for you. So although I'm going to show you wigs in particular colors, just know that all of our wigs are high quality synthetic. We do not carry any human hair because it really is not convenient. And our wigs, when you wash them with our products, they dry the way you bought them. Easy, no rollers, no blow dryer, no curling iron, nothing. And they don't frizz, which I love. Same with our toppers, okay? And they're just amazing, light, open, airy, and modern. So maybe you're used to looking great from here down, but if you have thinning hair and every day you're kind of looking in the mirror and going, yuck, I'm not happy with my hair, today is your sign to do something different. So first of all, how do you like my hair? I am wearing a topper. So there are many reasons for wigs and toppers. I have a lot of hair, but I have a different reason. So I'm going to show you what it is. So this is a topper. It's called long top. And all you do is lift it away. But what do you see with my hair? Look at this. I've decided to let my roots grow out. But you see the difference that a topper makes, and it hides your roots. Or if you are thinning at the temples, like I'm starting to, I have longer, thicker hair down here. But just to show you quickly, snaps in. You work around your face first. And if you like the front, then you clip in the back, right here. And it just brushes right in. I can even take this with my hair, twist it up, put a clip. So just to show you some different looks. So if you've been whining about your hair and you're kind of making everybody around you a little bit crazy, this is your intro into our world. And every wig wearer has been where you are. If you're apprehensive, feeling scared, just kind of let all that go because we make it very easy for you. So take a look at me. Easy. So if you're not ready to jump into a wig yet, maybe a topper is what you would like. So again, this style is called long top. And this is slightly machine teased to give you a little bit of a lift. So let me take it off and I'm going to show you how I prepare my hair. This just rolls off. And Danielle and I know you want to save every precious hair on your head. I know I do. And so we are showing you and sharing with you the ways that are going to do that for you. So I'm going to prepare my hair. Now, you may have no hair, some hair, kinky hair, longer hair, but here's how I prepare my hair. I just put it in a loop so it will be just like this. So don't worry about what kind of hair you have. Most important is the style that you'll be comfortable in, whether you want to step out into something brand new or you want something close to your style that will be in your comfort zone. So, light as a little feather, this little baby is called Tracy in Silver Mink. So I always leave my wigs inside out. Then when I'm going to wear them, I hold it and shake it from the bottom and put it on. Now, before I do that, I want to show you our wigs are open and airy. So one of the questions many people have is a wig going to inhibit my hair growth? And I can only answer for Godiva's Secret Wigs products because this is our life. And absolutely not. Our wigs are open and airy. So look, I want you to see my nails are purposely pink so you can see the entire wig is open and airy. That allows your scalp to breathe. And we would never suggest sleeping in a wig, but you can do anything else you want in a wig. So I'm going to hold the wig in the back. That's how we start. Don't freak out. Right up slowly to your hairline. So please do not cut your forehead short because that's not too cute, is it? So up at your hairline, and then all of our wigs have curvy little tabs at the ears. See how I can move it? So you don't want the wig crooked, it's not going to feel good. So even it out, flatten it down so it'll be right against your temples, and then I always start right around my face, making sure I always have it right up at my hairline. This is the sweetest little baby. So let me just show you. You can cover your ears if you like. I'm using my fingers. I wash my hands before I touch my wig because, you know, we're touching our face. It's got our oils, our makeup. So just talking about ways to keep your wig cleaner longer. Wash your hands before you run through. And please, not flat, 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 unless that's the look you want. But I would like to share with you what is a look for the top of your game. You may not used to be having to have a head of hair that's a normal head of hair. So take your fingers and brush back, up and back. You can show your ears if you like. This wig is about 2 ounces. It is so light. I want you to see the back. Isn't that cute? It's easy, and look, I can flatten it if I want. Just pat it down. And if you're used to having thinner hair, you have a little amount of hair that every hair is probably going to be flat against your scalp. Okay, you can wear the wig like that, but really you want something that looks close to you, but let it give you a little bit of a lift. Lift your face instead of flat. So again, and if you're using a brush, just lightly, you're not brushing the scalp of the wig. Brush it if you need to. I really prefer to use my fingers. But there you go. Short, easy, light, so comfortable. And all of our wigs have adjustment sizers in the back right here. So you can make the wig tighter or looser. So again, this wig is Tracy in silver mink. Look at this. Light, light, light. You're going to love her. And of course, again, all these wigs come in beautiful browns, reds, blondes, and grays. Our next medium length. This is Alana in frosted taupe. So personally, I love to always shake a wig before I put it on. That way I'm just loosening it up. I'm holding the back, and I want you to see these are Velcro sizers. Make it tighter or looser. Hold those. Dip it over your head. I always start low because then you can stretch the wig over your hair and you get a better fit. Then slowly up to the hairline and stop. Even those tabs. Start around the face. Look at this precious Alana. Look how she moves. So easy, so light. A very classic look. And if you want some bangs, we have over 600 videos to teach you how to trim, how to alter, how to do all kinds of things. Danielle and I have been doing this for so long, and we actually wear our wigs. My clients know sometimes I'm a long redhead, sometimes I'm a short punky brunette, and I get to be all those women that I want to be. What could be more fun as a woman, especially when we're over 55, 60, 65, and over? It's a great time. So let me show you the back. This is Alana in frosted taupe. It's under the gray shades when you're choosing a color, but if you are not ready to go gray yet, frosted taupe is just a cool color between blonde and gray, and it's a great transitional color if you're like me and you are stopping dyeing your hair, which I am doing as we speak. So this is Alana. So I can sometimes, I put her behind my ear on one side. I might trim a little bang. And then we also do what we call tipsy. So sometimes we'll purposely tip the wig for a little longer look on one side, just to have some fun. So if you're thinking wigs are a drudgery and oh my goodness, and you're feeling like a victim because you're going to have to wear a wig, please let that go. Go put that in another house because that is not our belief. Our beliefs about our wigs is they are freeing, comfortable, convenient, modern, and you look at the top of your game from here instead of from here, okay? So many women have longer hair, and I wanted to show you this wig, which is Thin Candice. That's what it's called, quote, Thin Candice, quote. And that is an amazing long wig that we also do in grays. We do beautiful modern wigs in gray. So let me show you Thin Candice. Oh, the color is Cappucino. So I hope you're taking some notes. So, look, and I haven't even done anything yet. So again, say it with me now. Up at the hairline, even the tabs. So if you can't see because of my dark, the bottom of the wig is right here. And I can do so many things with Thin Candice. Again, she comes in blondes, browns, reds, and grays. And I will easily braid her like on the side, put a hat over her. That's how thin she is. So I can just have fun putting her in an updo. And if someone says to you, oh my goodness, Susie, are you Susie? Oh my goodness, Susie, your hair looks really good. don't automatically think they know it's a wig unless it's very different. And then the rule for you is don't hide and feel embarrassed. You are what I call a courageous woman, creative and courageous, because you want something different for yourself. And that's what we do at Godiva's Secret Wigs for you and women all around the world. We ship all over the world. So this is Thin Candice. I can clip her up. And if you noticed, I'm leaving this a little longer so you don't see the bottom of the wig, but I can still clip it up. So if this is what you've been wanting, why not give it to yourself? Because, listen, you could have all the shoes in the world, but do we really want people just looking down at our feet? So let's go for the face. Let's have a lift. If you haven't worn makeup or if you're depressed, it's time. Come on and join us. So I hope this has helped you. If you have questions, we have a website, godivasecretwigs.com, and on there, at the top of the bar on our homepage, if you are a wig virgin, new to wigs and toppers, there's an area that says before you buy. On the very top bar, click there and you're going to get so much information. If you treat this like a new hobby, maybe you paint, maybe you crochet, maybe you garden. You didn't just jump in, you had to learn a little bit. So we try and provide you everything, all the information you need, all the support you need at our group, Godiva's Secret Wig Community on Facebook, and we are here to help you. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.